Allah.
What?
Nothing?
Are you streaming?
Nah.
Say wallahi.
Why you have to, why I have to swear every time?
Who's swearing?
Han stream Marzilia.
Yes, I'm streaming and you Halima. Vaping
My
on
name's
here.
actually Fatima, but okay.
Fatima, yeah. You rocking out.
Okay, what?
If your parents see you here smoking and stuff and you look like this, what they gonna say?
My parents don't live here though.
That's why I allow them.
Because it's complicated, you know, like
It's not complicated. This
they
way
don't
you
love
choose.
me, you know, like I basically grew up without my parents.
Don't say they don't love me.
No, because that's some people are not good people, you know.
Stop saying that.
Why are you so serious? The fuck?
Listen, every parent, they love their own kids.
Yeah, but who treats their kids like that though?
How did they treat you?
They weren't there for me when I grew up.
And where is that?
Like, don't you just, can you just think for yourself?
Do they live the same country with you?
Huh? No, they don't. They don't live here.
They live in Africa, Somalia.
No, they live in America.
She was adopted by Swedish.
I'm not adopted, but I live in a different family.
Are you Muslim?
Yeah.
Oh, that kind of sticky one. Yeah, فكرت أحيانا.
No, I didn't. It's complicated, you know, because I live with people that are not religious.
Yeah, but you know, the religions, it's not people that people will choose you. You will choose your own.
Why are you trying to preach like?
I'm not. But how you acting? Look, you are here smoking, and you're not going to be high value.
You're not.
علي ما دخن هاتاي دخمت وانا عيبس عليك